Good morning, everybody. Good morning. Okay, let us start prayer. Okay, please turn on your video. Start the prayer. Thank you, God, for the world so sweet. Thank you, God, for the food we eat. Thank you, God, for the birds that sing. Thank you, God, for everything. Good morning. Good morning. Everybody ate? எல்லாரும் சாப்பிட்டீங்களா? Everybody ate?
Yes.
Yes? Very good. Are you all ready? Are you all ready for test? Tomorrow's test? எல்லாரும் ரெடியா இருக்கீங்களா?
Yes.
Yes? Super, very good. Okay, shall we start revising? Shall we? Shall we start? Okay, super good. Very good. Okay, I'm going to call one by one and ask you. Okay, I'm going to call one by one and ask you. Are going to answer. Okay, done? Okay, good. Okay, I'll start from Shauneth. Okay, Shauneth, please unmute. Shauneth, look at this. Is this same or different?
Same or different? Same or different?
Same.
Loudly.
Louder? Same. Okay, very good. Look, see now. Is the same or different?
Same or different?
Different.
Loudly.
Different.
Different.
Very good. Good. Good, Shauneth. Thank you.
So thank you,
Next.
ma'am.
Yagav, can you go and bring something from far?
Wait,
Go and bring something from far.
அந்த பாப் கொண்டு வா சீக்கிரம் கட் மேம் கிட்ட கட்
Super, Yagav. What is that? What is that? Car. Very good. Can you take something which is near to you? Take something which is near to you. Very good. What is that? What you have in your hand?
குடு குடு காட்டு என்ன
Yes, sure. What is that?
மொபைல்
Mobile. One more?
ஒன் மோர்
What's that?
And three.
What's that?
White and blue and
இங்க பாருடா
Show to your friends. Show to your friends. காமிங்க உங்க friends எல்லாம் பார்க்கணுமா நீங்க என்ன வச்சிருக்கீங்கன்னு சொல்லிட்டு.
square.
Super. Very good. Very good, Yaga. Very good. Thank you.
Welcome.
Okay. Apraman, please unmute. Apraman, can you count and say how many balls I have? Count how many balls I have in my hand. Count.
I'm கேக்குறேன் எவ்வளவு balls இருக்கு கேக்குறேன் how many balls ball
Count.
count பண்ணு ball count பண்ணு எவ்வளவு ball வச்சிருக்காங்க மேம் count பண்ணு
If you count and say I'll put catch for you. Apraman, count பண்ணி சொன்னா மேம் இங்க catch போடுவேன் உங்களுக்கு. Okay? Count and say. Super, very good. You also have yellow color ball, right? சரி ஓகே கவுண்ட் அண்ட் சே அப்புறமே நீங்க பாருங்க கவுண்ட் பண்ணி சொல்லுங்க
மேம்க்கு தெரியல நீ சொல்லு மேம் கிட்ட எவ்வளவு ball
I don't know. ஓகே எனக்கு தெரியாது மேம்க்கு
மேம் கிட்ட எவ்வளவு பால் இருக்கு? 1, okay. 2.
சொல்லுங்க.
Super, very good. 2. Okay, now count how many balls I have. Now,
இப்போ எவ்வளவு பால் இருக்கு மேம் கிட்ட? இல்ல எவ்வளவு பால்ஸ் இருக்கு இப்போ மேம் கிட்ட? இப்போ மேம் காமிக்கிறாங்கல்ல அது எவ்வளவு பால்? அது எவ்வளவு பால்ஸ்?
one.
இப்போல எழுதி.
I have only one ball, right? I have only one now. I have 2. Super, very good. Thank you, Pramayan. Raj Vidyut, please unmute. Raj Vidyut, can you count how many balls I have in my hand?
1, 2, 3.
3. Very
Three
good.
balls.
Okay, what color is this? What color is this?
One red.
Red. Very good.
Red.
Super. Thank you. Hetvika, please unmute. Hetvika, can you say this is same or different? This is same or different? Same. Now? Same or different? Same. What about now? Now? Same or different? Different ஆ இருக்கு. Very good. This is different. Very good, Hetvika. Shaunat, can you say the rhyme Johnny Johnny? Yes, Papa. Shaunat, please unmute.
Johnny, say Johnny, Johnny. Johnny, Johnny. Say loudly. Loudly.
Shaunat, please tell louder, okay? Ma'am is not able to hear. I'm not able to hear what Shaunat is saying. Please tell louder.
Loudly. Johnny.
Johnny, Johnny, yes, Papa. Eating sugar, no, Papa. Telling lies, no, Papa. Open your mouth, ah.
Super, very good. Thank you, Shaunat. Adya, please unmute. Adya, please unmute and say, Mummy and Daddy, I love you. Right, okay? Yeah. Mummy and Daddy. No, Baba Black Sheep. Mummy and Daddy, I love you.
Mummy and Daddy, I love you. சொல்லுங்க.
Mummy and Daddy, I love you.
Louder.
Daddy, I love you.
Come. Louder, louder. சத்தமா சொல்லுங்க. ஃப்ரெண்ட்ஸ்லாம் வெயிட் பண்றாங்க. ஆதியாவோட சவுண்ட் கேட்கறதுக்காக. ஓகே? Say louder.
Come to me.
Nagayu.
Mummy and Daddy, I love you. Next, come to me. Come to me when I call you. Next,
Give me a சொல்லுங்க.
give me a kiss. With action, you can say with action, no?
Give me a kiss. சொல்லுங்க. That kiss when I ask you. Mummy.
Mummy
Louder.
and Daddy, I love you. Super, very good. Thank you, Adya. Thank you. Now I'll write and show you. Okay, I'll write and show you. You're going to identify what is that. Okay. Raj with youth, can you identify what alphabet is this?
H.
Ma'am kitta sol.
H.
Very good. Can you say something for H? H for?
H for என்னது?
H for hat.
Hat. அப்புறம்?
சவுண்டா சொல்லு. வேற ஏதாவது சொல்லு H for. சரி வேற ஏதாவது சொல்லிட்டு போ. சொல்லிட்டு போய் வாட்டர் குடி. H for வேற ஏதாவது சொல்லு.
H for donkey.
H for hat சொன்னேல்ல. அந்த மாதிரி வேற ஏதாவது சொல்லு. H for
H for
house.
house.
Houses.
For house.
Very good. Super, very good. Thank you, Raj with youth.
For
Hrithvika, please unmute. Hrithvika, can you see what alphabet is this? Can you see and tell what alphabet is this? Look at the screen.
இது H.
What about this?
Fun.
F. What is that? F. F for? F for? Fish.
Fan.
Fish fan. Super, very good. Very good, Hrithvika. Good job.
Next.
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 Adya, please unmute.
Adya.
Adya, look
What is this?
at the screen and say what alphabet is this? The third one, what alphabet is this?
Egg. E for egg. Elephant. See, one standing line, one sleeping line, one sleeping line.
Egg. Elephant. Very good. Thank you, Adya. Yagav, please unmute. Yagav,
Now
look at the screen and say what alphabet is this?
don't know.
A. A for?
What is this?
Apple.
Apple. Airplane. Super. Good, Yagav. Thank you.
I can show you. Look down. Sit properly. Don't make sound.
Shaunat, can you say about who's there in your family?
Who is there in your family?
Daddy, Mama, I love you.
Tell louder, please.
Loudly. Daddy.
Mommy,
Tapare.
Grandma,
Loudly.
Grandma,
Heart. Grand.
Mummy.
Loudly. Again say. Mommy.
Mommy,
Tapare. Loudly.
Daddy,
Mm.
Grandma,
Grandma.
Okay, and
Grandfather,
grandfather. Oh.
Grandfather. Brother.
Brother is there.
Brother. Sister. Do you have brother, sister?
Actually,
Yes or
in our
no?
family, grandfather, grandmother, mother, and father. This four actually.
Okay.
No brother, sister. That's why.
Okay. Good, Shaunat. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
thank you, Mom.
Yagav, please unmute. Say that I'm Johnny. Yes, Papa. Yeah.
Johnny
Look at the
Johnny.
screen and tell louder. Okay, my friends எல்லாருக்கும் கேட்கணுமா?
Eating soda, no papa. Feeling lunch, no papa. Open your mouth, yeah. Ha ha ha.
Super, very good, Yagav. Can you say the rhymes? Mummy and daddy. Mummy and daddy சொல்லிடுறீங்களா?
மம்மி அண்ட் டாடி சொல்லுங்க.
Mommy, Daddy, I love you. When you are called, come to me.
அங்க பாட்டு சொல்லு.
ஜானி ஜூனியர்ஸ் பாப்பா சூப்பரா சொன்னீங்க. அதே மாதிரி யாகவ் இப்ப சொல்லணும். ஓகேவா? லவுடா சொல்லணும்.
நான் அம்மா பென்சில் தரேன். மம்மி அண்ட் டாடி சொல்லு. இப்ப சொன்னீங்க.
Daddy, I love you. Come to me when I call you. Give me a kiss in the car. When you ask you, Mommy and Daddy, I love you.
Super, very good, Yagav. Thank you. Etvika, please unmute. No. Wait. Okay. Johnny, yes, Papa சொல்லணுமா? Okay, you can say. Okay, start.
Johnny, yes, Papa. Meeting sugar, no nothing. Darling, no Papa. What any much?
Super, very good. Super சொல்லிட்டீங்க. Okay, can you see the shape? What shape is this? What shape is this? Can you see the screen and say what shape is this? What shape is this?
Triangle.
Triangle. How many sides are there for triangle? Count. Very good. Okay. What color is this?
Red color.
Red color. Very good. Thank you, Hetvika. Very good. Apramayan. What shape is this? What shape is this, Apramayan? Triangle. Very good. How many sides are there? Can you count?
Sides.
One. One, two, three. Very good. What color is this? What color is this?
என்ன கலர் கேக்குறாங்க? இல்ல என்ன கலர் கேக்குறாங்க? What color is it? Ma'am, you already told now he is not repeating.
Okay. You tell one time, Apramayan won't repeat. Apramayan, I am not able to hear. Please.
சரி, என்ன கலர் இது?
Red color. You already told. Okay. Thank you, Apramayan. Very good. Okay. Raj with you, please unmute. Raj with you, what is this? What is this?
Slanting line.
Slanting line. What slanting line? We have two slanting lines, right?
இது என்ன slanting? Forward or backward?
Forward.
Forward. Very good.
சொல்லுப்பா.
This one?
இது
This one?
Backward.
sound சொல்லு.
Very good. This is forward. This is backward slanting line. Super. Very good, Raj with you. Very good. Thank you. What line is this? Yagav is going to say. Okay? Yagav, look at the screen and say, what line is this?
Zigzag line.
Zigzag line. Very good. Very good. Thank you.
Welcome.
Adya, please unmute. Adya, can you say things you see in your living room?
லிவிங் ரூம்ல என்னெல்லாம் இருக்கும்? ஹால்ல என்ன இருக்கும்?
Living room. What are the things you see in living room?
ஹால்ல
Toys. TV. Apple.
ஏசி
AC. Fan.
Hmm.
Apple. Light.
Hmm.
Apple.
Hmm.
ஹால்ல என்னெல்லாம் இருக்கும் சொல்லு. ஹால்ல என்னெல்லாம் இருக்கும்?
Apple.
கிளாக் இருக்கும்.
Clock.
Very good. Very good. Thank you, Adya. Good job. Thank you. Shawnit, please unmute. Welcome. Shawnit, please unmute.
Say yes, ma'am.
Shawnit, can you say what is this? What curve is this?
What curve it is?
This is
Which
curve.
which side? Right or left? Which side? Right or left? Right. Say loudly.
Left.
Say properly. Right. Or
Left. Right.
Right or left?
Right.
Right. Very good. Good. Thank you, Shawnit.
Say thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Welcome. Okay. Next. Raj with youth, can you please unmute? With yes. Can you say things which you see in bedroom? Bedroom.
What are the things in bedroom? அது அங்கதான் இருக்கு. நீ சொல்லு, என்ன இருக்கு சொல்லு. பெட்ரூம்ல என்ன இருக்கும்? ம் ம்
Bureau,
ம்
bed,
ம்
pillow,
ம்
purse,
ம்
door,
ம்
அதெல்லாம் இருக்கும்.
ம்
Super. Very good, Raj with youth. Thank you. Ritvika, please unmute. Ritvika, can you say things you see in bedroom?
I like
சொல்லு.
Ritvika, சொல்லுங்க.
ஏசி
AC,
அப்புறம் என்ன இருக்கு?
lights,
பெட் பில்லோஸ் பீரோ
Good, Ritvika. Thank you. Thank you. Mitu. Mitu. Mitu, ready? Yeah. Okay, Adya, please unmute. Adya.
அண்ணா
What is your mother name?
அம்மா நேம் என்ன கேக்குறேன்
What is your mother's name?
Father.
What is your mother's name?
அம்மா நேம் என்ன
Salad.
My mother's name is.
my mother's name is
Mother.
மேம் கிட்ட சொல்லு
Look at the screen and say.
mother's name is Geeta.
Good, Adya. Thank you. Shaunit, please unmute. Shaunit, please unmute. What is your mother's name?
What is your mother's name? Loudly.
What is your father's name? My mother name is Solano. Okay, va? You should say my mother name is. My father name is.
No. Say my mother's name. Follow my
Mother's name.
is. Okay.
Super. Very good. Apramayan, please unmute. Apramayan, what is your mother's name?
மதர்ஸ் நேம் என்ன கேக்குறாங்க நான் தான் உன் அம்மா பேர் என்ன கேக்குறாங்க மை மதர்ஸ் நேம் இஸ்
What is your father's name?
ஃபாதர்ஸ் நேம் என்ன அப்பா பேர் என்ன கேக்குறாங்க ஃபாதர்ஸ் நேம் இஸ் அப்பா பேர் என்ன அப்பா பேர் என்ன சொல்லு லவுடா சொல்லு ஒரேடியா சொல்லு மேம் ஒண்ணு மேம் கேட்கல சொல்லு ப்ராப்பரா சொல்லு
Loudly.
லவுடா சொல்லு father's name is சரி father's name is what is your father's name
Tell loudly, Apramayan. Tell loudly.
நான் சொல்றேன் மேம் நான் சொல்றேன் அப்புறமே எனக்கு தெரியல அதனால நான் சொல்றேன்
Apramayanக்கு father's name தெரியாதா? Apramayan, no. He'll tell now. Okay, Apramayan, please tell now. My father's name is. Very good. Super, very good. Raj with you, please unmute.
என்ன கேக்குறாங்க பார்த்து சொல்லு என்ன கேக்குறாங்க லிசன் பண்ணி சொல்லு
Yeah. What is your mother's name?
Veena Mudra. My mother's name is Veena.
Okay. What is your father's name?
My father's name is Daddy.
விக்னேஷ்
Your father's name is Daddy,
Simple
yeah?
சொல்லு
My father's name is Vignesh.
Vignesh. Very good. Thank you. Yagav, please unmute. Yagav, what is your mother's name?
Amma.
my mother name is
My mother name is.
my mother name is
My
ஒழுங்கா சொல்லுடா my mother name is
mother's name is Yamini Chowdhury.
What is your father's name?
My
father name is
My father name is
அப்பா பேர் என்ன
Appa name
மண்டேல குட்டுவேன் சொல்லு அப்பா பேர் என்ன my father name is
My father name is
என்கிட்ட சொல்லு my father name is
Gautam.
Okay. Very good. Good, Yagav. Okay. Okay, tomorrow we have oral test. Okay, wow. We have oral test tomorrow. We'll be sending question paper at 9 o'clock. We don't have online class tomorrow. Okay, wow. Before 12, you should take video and send it to us. Okay? Okay, wow. நாளைக்கு நம்மளுக்கு online class இல்ல. Okay, wow. You should take video and send it to us. சரியா? All the best. Do well. Okay, wow. Bye bye. Bye. Thank you.
Bye bye. Bye, ma'am.
Bye, everybody. Bye. Thank you.
Bye, ma'am.